Yeah. Floodlight, spotlight all around the town. This is Sunday night here on a snowy South Jersey snowy night. We are doing okay. Just brought the dog in. Footprints, which is me. Footprints in the snow. Not really that cold out. So, Mr. Ed, South Jersey General, looking about. I guess if I had to. I don't know, maybe looking at how much, maybe an inch right now. Showing. I thought it was snowing earlier, it just wasn't, it was like sleet. So just about an hour ago it started falling in the snow. It's still quiet. But now I thought some of the quads would be out. Being a Sunday night, they're quiet. So that was my first walk in a while. Lights back on. I haven't been doing very much lately. With Pooh Girl there with her kidney stone thing. And I ain't gonna be looked at until the 29th. They had one was stuck in her tube. They went up and lasered it. It was so big, the tube took a lot of damage, so they didn't want to go get the stone in her kidney. And now they got to let her tract heal, her urinary tract heal. Then they'll go up and get it on the 29th, hopefully. Been causing her, the stent causing a lot of problems, a lot of pressure, like she always pees all the time. But, well. See if this works. My feet are getting cold. I did take a walk before this through the snow, so my feet are about wet and cold, but the air itself ain't that bad. Lights are pretty still. No car. Where's the car? Last night put the car away in the garage. Very quiet. Isn't it nice? Nice to be that quiet. You hear the gas. The heat must be on. You hear the gas going through the gas line. And Mr. Snowman. That was put away for a while. The first time we used it this year, since I've been here. It's been about 5 years. Not bad out. So, like again, surprised how many no quads, no dirt bikes. Not as many kids as there used to be. Don't know where they went. So, as we say, welcome to South Jersey. See you later.